Hello children, today we are going to start matrices. So first let us understand what is the meaning of matrix and then we will see some properties and some types of matrices. So first let us see what is the meaning of matrices. So matrices means a rectangular arrangement of numbers in the form of horizontal and vertical lines. For example, suppose few numbers are given -1, 2, 3, 8, 12 and 15. If we will arrange these numbers in the form of rectangular lines and vertical lines, then we call that one as a matrix. For example, we will write this number as -1, 2, 3, 8, 12 and 15. And these numbers are enclosed inside a square bracket. Then this one is called as a matrix. So a matrix means the arrangement of numbers in the form of horizontal and vertical lines. This one, the horizontal lines are called as the rows. These two are both are called as the rows, and this vertical lines we call this one as the columns. So these vertical lines are called columns. All these are the columns here. So if you arrange the numbers in the form of horizontal rows and vertical columns, then we call that one as a matrix. And these numbers which are written inside this matrix, they are called as the elements of the matrix. We call them as the elements of the matrix. And these numbers are enclosed inside a square bracket. The matrix is generally denoted by a capital letter A, B, C, any capital letter we can write, and these elements of the matrix are denoted by the small letters like small a, small b, like this we can denote, and the places of each elements and columns are written there. For example, in this matrix, this is called as the first row, so we can write this one as R1. This one is called as the second row, so we can call it as R2. This one is the first column C1, second column C2 and third column C3 we will write. So from this we can know another thing which is called as the order of matrix. Order of matrix. So what is the meaning of order of matrix? Order of matrix means the number of rows and columns present in a matrix is called as the order of matrix. So first we have to write the rows. Remember the order. First we need to write the rows, then we have to write the number of columns present in that matrix. That is called as what your order of matrix. For example, in this one, there are 2 rows are present. So number of rows are 2 and number of columns are 3. So we write this one as 2 cross 3, which we read as 2 by 3 matrix. 2 by 3 means 2 rows by 3 columns. Okay, that is the meaning of order of a matrix there. So from the order of matrix, you can also know the number of elements present in the matrix there. For example, in this case, the number of elements are 6. You can count here. Total 6 elements are present. So if you multiply this one 2 into 3, there are 6 elements are present in that. So we do not multiply that, but we can know that how many elements are present if order of the matrix is given. So this is the way of writing the order of matrix there. Now the elements which are present in the matrix there, these are called as the elements of the matrix. So there are 6 elements are there. So the position of each element is denoted by another symbol. As I told you that the elements are denoted with the small letters and the matrix is denoted with the capital letter. So the small letters are used for the elements. So as we have written the matrix A, so the elements also I will denote with the symbol small a. Here the element present in the first position is in the first row and first column. You can see that it is in the first row and first column. So this element we denote as 1, 1. The first one always denotes the number of row and the second one denotes the column number. So generally we write the elements of the matrix as A, I, J, where I stands for the row number and J stands for the column number. J stands for the column number. So the elements of the matrix are denoted by A11 means it is present in the first row, first column. See, just like in our houses, suppose in a line of houses are present. If you want to identify that number house number there, then we say that there are 3 lines are supposed there. 3 lines are there. And each line there are 3 houses are present there. Each line there are 3 houses are present. This one is line number 1, line number 2, line number 3. This is house number 1, house number 2 and house number 3. Suppose I want to give you one location that some friend of mine is staying in house number 2 of line number 1. Then you will go to the line number 1 and house number 2. Then you can know. So that means 2 things are required in order to exactly find out the position of a element there. So first is the row number, second is the column number. So if I will write A11, that means you know that it is present in the first row and 1 means it is present in the first column. So where both are intersecting, first column and first row, this is the position of element. Now in the second one, this one is there. We can write that one as A12. A12 means in the first row and in the second column it is present. That means A12 is in our question, means in this example it is 2. A13 if I will write, this is 3. If I will write A21, that means second row first column element, that is 8. A22 if I will write, that is 12, and A23 if I will write, that is 15. So in this way we can denote the matrix and the elements of the matrix. So once again just recapitulate that. So rectangular arrangement of numbers in the form of vertical and horizontal lines is called as the matrix. These are called as the elements of the matrix, and always the elements of the matrix are enclosed inside the square bracket. In order to denote the matrix, we use the capital letter A, and small a is used for the elements of the matrix. The order of the matrix is written in the form of rows into columns. How many rows are present in that matrix and how many columns are present in that matrix, that is written, that we call as the order of matrix. So here 2 rows and 3 columns are present. So we write the order of the matrix as 2 cross 3, which we read as 2 by 3. And the elements are denoted by Aij, where I stands for the row number and J stands for the column number. In this way, we can represent the elements of the matrix there. Okay, I think this one is clear to all of you.